This is day 2 of having my worms, and I just gave them some spinach, a little bit of lettuce, and some tomato. And I buried some of it, and I'm also gonna put a little bit of shredded cardboard on top to give them some more bedding. I got this from the Home Depot website, and I'm gonna add it to the bin. So it looks like they're at a happy temperature, sitting in the 70s. So that's a good sign. This morning, a few of them tried to escape, but I think they're doing pretty good. Trying to see if I can find one. Here's one right here. They're looking pretty good. They have a healthy color to them. So I'm excited. I think they're eating some of the food too. So it's been about 3 days since I fed my worms. Look what I'm trying to escape. But they ate a lot of the food. I don't think they really like the lettuce, but they definitely ate the spinach. And the tomatoes are gone. So maybe they do like tomatoes. Here's one right here. I can get them. See, they look pretty healthy. Him, I don't know what he got going on. Today, I'm going to give them some red bell pepper and spinach treatment. So when I looked it up, I found that red bell peppers are a little better for them than the tomatoes because the tomatoes can be acidic. But they like the tomatoes, so I might be giving that to them later. But the tomatoes were about this big, so I'm going to experiment with these and see if they eat these the same way. So I'm still deciding. My dog is knocking the door. But I'm still deciding if I want to add new cardboard and a little bit of soil every time I feed them. But as of right now, I'm just going to move this out the way. I think I'm going to take this lettuce out. Yeah, they really liked the spinach. I may put a little more cardboard. It took them about 3 days to eat it last time, so we'll see if we can see a difference. I fed the worms on the 17th and it's now the 22nd, so it's been 5 days and they have been eating pretty good. I'm happy with how things are going and the temperature is pretty good in here. So when I feed them today, I decided to go ahead and add some more cardboard and seed starting mix. So today we got some carrots and spinach, and I'm just kind of moving things around because I was gone for a minute and I just want to make sure that it's still good oxygen in here before I add some new stuff. But everything looks pretty good. They're in here like all around everywhere. I'm finding most of them on the corners, but I don't want to, you know, mess with them too much. But let me go ahead and get this food added. So when I was doing a little bit of research, it said that the carrot might take a little longer, but that's fine, I guess, as long as they're eating. I'm saying like it may take a little longer to break down, but we'll see because they've really been eating a lot within like 3 or 4 days. And this is a little drier, which I wanted because I didn't want it to get too moist and wet. So I'll be back in a few days to check on them again. But so far, everybody's doing pretty good. I think the temperature has stayed pretty good. Right now, I'm outside just to put this in. See, outside is a little hot, but when we go back inside, they'll be at a good temperature. So it's been about a week. I went on like a 3-day vacation, and I also added a little bit of watermelon when I had one at one point. But as you can see, they've eaten all of the spinach, and also you can see that the carrots are actually growing some. But I think that I'm gonna take the carrot pieces out because they're taking a while to break down, which was expected. But yeah, so far pretty good. So I did a little bit of research, and they said that collard greens are a little bit better than spinach because they have more nutrients. So I got these out my garden, and I'm going to feed that to them. And also I'm going to give them some watermelon to keep the soil hydrated. So I'm just going to remove these. And also, y'all, they have officially stopped trying to escape. So I think that's good because it probably means that they're used to the environment now. Okay, so I've taken the carrots out, most of them. So I'm gonna add the collard greens and watermelon. Now that I've done that, I have a little bit of leftover mix, which is kind of dry. I'm just gonna put some of that over it. And we'll be back to check. All right, y'all, so this video is coming to an end, and I took us through about 3 weeks of maintaining and caring for the red worms and compost bin. I didn't want to just create a video and then leave y'all hanging, not knowing exactly what to do. So I hope y'all got a lot of information through my trial and error of like the carrots and watermelon and spinach and all that different type of stuff. As you've seen, temperature is very important, moisture is very important. Some stuff is going to break down more than others. And if you have any questions, please comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. As time goes on, I will continue to update, and hopefully we'll get some red worms soon. Thanks for watching, and I hope y'all got something out of this video that's beneficial to you.